I guess this is it right here. Bro, it sucks. Oh, my feet are gonna be so wet. Oh. Oh! I take this helmet off, this better be recording. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Sorry, I'm about to blow the stop sign. Kids, don't do that. It's been a long time. It's been 3 months, and I'm sorry. I had to get my life together. I know I've done that many times. It takes a lot to get one's life together sometimes. You know, everybody's a work in progress. Hopefully the whining of the scooter isn't too loud, and I will try to talk as loud as I can because I did this last night and some crazy stuff happened on my way back from where I'm headed right now. And you know, the wind was kind of unbearable, as is the scooter whining, you know? So thank you for bearing with me thus far. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and my scooter's whining because I'm kind of a big dude, and I built it myself. So, yeah, you know, do the best you can with what you got. And I'm gonna go across here because last night, when I tried to come across here, it looked like this, and then took a nice little ride around the school that's down here, and came back to a flood, which was which was kind of intense. And so I will play the footage from that now. Charges with the wall outlet, about 3 hours, which is cool. Oh, nice water leak. That sucks. That sucks big time. That wasn't here just a minute ago. We just came through here. So I think it's time for us to go. Dang. Hopefully I can get home using the sidewalk, keeping things dry. Good thing I saw that. That's yucky looking. Wow. That just happened. The interesting things you find on a nice scooter ride. Oh, it's like riding beside a creek. That's so, oh, that's sweet. What's, oh my gosh, so peaceful. Let's find the place where I can go through the best. Battery do we have? Probably try and go down here. Wow. It's flooded the whole street. Oh, they're gonna splash me. Please don't splash me, y'all. Oh, don't be a dick, bro. Don't be a dick, bro. Thank you. Wow, the whole street's flooded. I was hoping to cross down here. Should just waterproof the thing. Well, I'm not taking my chances. I literally just finished this. This is gonna suck. Look what I have on. Man. I guess this is it right here. I literally have to carry this, so I'm gonna turn it off. Bro, it sucks. Oh, my feet are gonna be so wet. Oh. Oh. Bro. Oh. You have got to be freaking kidding me. I take this helmet off, this better be recording. Thank you, Jesus. That's unreal. Gross. And nobody's coming to help, huh? That's surprising. Seriously, that's a little bit better, but not much. Yeah, get it, boy. That was very red, my boy. I got one shoe. Ooh, that guy's dope. One shoe on, one shoe off. A little awkward to carry the shoe, but that's okay. Alrighty, y'all. I know they're coming this way, but there's not much to see, I don't think. There we go. Sometimes it takes a minute for the haul. Sometimes it takes a minute for the motor to hook up. There is no hall sensor on this. It's 500 watts, so yeah. Probably could have used one with a hall sensor, but you got to work with what you have. So anyway, yeah, that's quite a mess, right? And so I just wanted to come check it out when it's probably not going to flood and just be a little bit, you know, just see what's going on over here on these streets. If you guys are wondering where I've been trying to do better for myself, trying to be a little bit more health conscious. I went to the doctor for the first time in like, what's it been, probably 15 years. And of course, for those of you who know me, or, you know, whatever, you know I'm a big guy. And so I was diagnosed with very high blood pressure. Let me get back to you at the top of this hill. Yeah, I was diagnosed with extremely high blood pressure, like hospitalization type blood pressure, but they put me on meds. Ooh, that's some weed. And got my blood pressure lowered to a more acceptable level, but I'm still working on things, and I'm working on losing some weight, which is why I've been getting out walking and, you know, scooting gets me out at least. And it is a bit of work because I usually have to walk home. Great, what goes down must go back up, you know. As far as car stuff goes, the Integra is running extremely well. I'm still on flex fuel. I don't drive it that much because I don't go anywhere really. Yeah, so I've gone through probably 4 or 5 tanks of gas. Well, not gas, fuel, ethanol, but it's been winter blend here, so they were kind of messy. You know, I would consider those contaminated with gasoline. And so I've gone through that, and I haven't really gotten a summer blend in there yet because the tank is not empty. I had to empty out what I had in storage in my shed because I didn't want that to sit any longer. Then the Civic is running well, but one of my kids kicked the bumper off, so I don't know quite what happened there or who done it, but I will get to the bottom of it. The tachometer is cutting out under boost. So I have to figure out what's going on with that. But aside from blowing off a couple charge pipes, she is rocking. But yeah, the Integra is doing well. Aside from how low it is, I've been scraping the down pipe on, I should go a little faster. Hold on. Yeah, see, I mean, I'm up to 18 already. So it's like pretty quick. That just makes a lot of noise. I'll slow down a little bit because I don't know this neighborhood. But yeah, so the Integra is so low that it has been scraping the exhaust, and it wore a hole in the exhaust. I thought something else bad had happened to it, and the tune kept getting messed up, but it turns out I just have the hole in the exhaust. All right. Here she goes. She hooked. Oh, I know where I am. I'm behind the grocery store. There's a lot of bums over here. So we're gonna make this quick. Oh. Yeah, the Integra wore a hole in the exhaust in the downpipe, so I have to get that fixed. And I have this stuff to wrap it because I don't. I think I'm gonna keep the downpipe, but I just kind of want to have it professionally fixed. And I figured for $15, we'll get the JB Weld wrap. It got pretty good reviews, and it's not that big of a hole, so I'm gonna wrap that tomorrow with my daughter. She's gonna help me, and we should get that taken care of. Let me stop here for a second. Let me talk to you guys. Hopefully I don't get run up on by some bums. Sketchy. I know it looks nice to people who don't live in Colorado, but yeah. Oh man, cool. Yeah, hey guys. So, nice to see you again. Yeah, so, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna fix the Integra tomorrow. That will be extremely nice to have that fixed because it's been loud. You know, that car I like to be kind of subtle, but it's getting pretty quick. Yeah, and then the Civic, you know, that's loud. I did turn on the two-step for that, so maybe we'll get into that in the next video. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know I'm here. I didn't go anywhere. I'm still gung-ho on this channel. I just really needed to take some time for me and come back ready. Like, I needed to come back ready to do the thing, and I'm ready, baby. I'm ready. It's summertime. I'm ready to get the Civic out there. That needs to happen because we haven't gotten that out yet on the street. It is legal. It's insured. And I mean, it's a hoopty. Don't get me wrong, but it's fun. So maybe we go have some fun on one of these Friday night meets with it. And the door's locked, which is the whole reason I haven't taken it out yet. I've fixed the door lock, so no excuse anymore. Let's get back on the road and stop talking, do a little bit of riding, and just kind of chill, you know? So, all right, I'll get back with you guys in just a few. Let's go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna head home. So I will see you in a couple days. We'll catch up, check out the scooter in the daylight, check out the Integra, go for a ride. Tomorrow's Friday, maybe we'll go to a car meet. I don't really want to go to a sideshow. Last thing I need is a ticket. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. If you're new around here, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, and see you in a couple days, guys. I won't slap the camera, but I usually do. Peace out, Cub Scouts.